In this video, we're going to learn how to mark keywords to reference in an index. An index lists the terms and topics that are discussed in a document along with the page numbers that they appear on. Before we go any further, click on the Home tab and turn on the Show Hide tool. In this document, I've color-coded the different keywords I would like to mark and include in the index. Select the keyword you would like to mark. Click on the References tab and click on Mark Entry from the Index group. There are several options to choose from, including whether you would like to only reference a singular reference of the keyword or all. In this example, I'm going to leave the sub-entry blank and select Mark All to mark all keywords. Now all references to Walter White have been marked, which is indicated in curly brackets. This is only visible when the Show Hide tool is turned on. Now I'm going to mark the next keyword. In this example, I'm going to include a sub-entry and select Mark All to mark all keywords. Instead of clicking Close, keep the Mark Index entry box open. Select your next keyword, then click back onto the Mark Entry window. The keyword will automatically display and revert to the default settings. I'll only mark this one reference by clicking Mark. I'll continue marking the rest of the keywords. Now all the keywords have been marked, we can include the index. Place the cursor where you would like to insert the index and click on the References tab. Click on Insert Index from the Index group. I'm going to leave the default settings and click OK. All of the marked keywords are now displaying in alphabetical order, along with the page number references. It's important to note that however the marked text is formatted within the curly brackets, the formatting will stay the same in the index. Format the marked text as you would like it to appear in the index. Note that you only have to do this for the first instance of the keyword. To update the index, either right-click on it and select Update Field or press the F9 key on your keyboard. To modify the appearance of the index, right-click on it and select Edit Field. Click on Index, then click on Modify. Click on Index 1 to modify the formatting of the main entry and click on Modify. Modify the formatting, then click OK. To modify the format of the sub-entries, click on Index 2. Modify the formatting, then click OK, and then OK. Click OK to replace the index. To manually add sub-entries to marked keywords, type a colon followed by the sub-entry in the first instance of the keyword. To delete a single marked entry, select the text within curly brackets and press the Delete key. To delete all marked entries at once, press Ctrl-H on your keyboard to bring up Find and Replace. In the Find What window, type the Shift key and the number 6, the lowercase d, space, uppercase XE. Leave the Replace With window blank and click on Replace All. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.